I'm down here in Smithfield, Virginia at our beautiful community church square. Here I'm at the main entrance on Church Street. It's just a lovely, quaint little neighborhood. Right about a half a mile from downtown Smithfield. You can see it's a beautiful tree-lined entrance and just has so much to offer here at Church Square. We've got a beautiful clubhouse and a couple of model homes and 3 wonderful floor plans. So come on and take a tour with me. So as we enter Church Square, you'll see these beautiful tree-lined streets. This community was started in the early 2000s, and Cornerstone Homes bought it a couple of years ago and is developing and building all the homes in phase 2. We're building 74 villa homes that are all 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and flex space. Some of those can be expanded to even larger than the 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and flex. Oh gosh, hi Janet. We're here at the clubhouse.
Hi, so good to see you.
Good to see you too. I'm so glad I saw you. Will you take us in on a tour of the clubhouse?
Oh yes, I'd love to.
Awesome. So Janet's our sales manager here, and we're going into our beautiful clubhouse. I think there's some people even doing something fun in here, right?
Yes. Come on in. It's all clean.
I know.
It smells good.
I know we need smell-o-vision.
That's right.
So this is gorgeous.
Yeah, this is our main meeting room. It's we completely came and remodeled this and put new furniture everywhere. So we have coffee hours and social hours and things in here. So it's kind of our meeting area.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And then there's a fitness room and a pool, outdoor pool.
Yep, and there's a outdoor barbecue area right over here.
Oh yeah, and here's where the ladies are playing cards today.
Yeah.
Say hi, ladies.
Hi. We're having so much fun.
Well, this is fabulous.
Oh, I love it. Nice outdoor. This is one of our best features.
Oh, look at this gorgeous outdoor patio.
Look at that. If you look at concrete, you can see we've tripled the size and bought all this new furniture for it.
Yeah, it's lovely. And a little horseshoe pit out here.
And there he is.
And so,
pool is right over there, but it's kind of
yeah, it's all closed up for the winter. So the houses we're looking at here are all the phase 1 homes. We were talking about that this home community was started in the early 2000s, but it's beautiful tree-lined streets, and we're going to go take a peek over at the homes that we're building and the models that we're building. Oh wow, so here we are entering phase 2 area, and these are all our lots to be developed. And this is the beautiful tree-lined street that we just built all of these villas here. And then just to orient you back towards the clubhouse that way. But Janet, we're going to walk up here towards this blue building, right? On the right?
Yes, we have our model over there.
Great.
Or one of our models.
So while we're walking, tell us a little bit about the homes that we're going to be, that we're building.
Well, this one is our middle-sized one. We have 3 plans, and 2 of them can have extra added on to them. But this is the middle-sized one. It's about 1,800 square feet. It's very open. It feels like you're just walking into a home. It's just...
Yeah, it's lovely.
It is. It's just... Everybody comments on that one.
So in all the homes, there's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and flex space?
Yes, absolutely.
And
there's a pull-down attic with some floor attic space. What's one of the things that's unique to us is that we have storage space. A lot of times you don't see that in a 55-plus neighborhood.
Yeah, and the other thing I think that's so unique as we're looking at the outside here is every home has a covered front entry.
Right.
And every home has a 2-car garage. And some of them have an oversized 2-car garage that's as many as 30 feet deep, right?
Yes, ma'am. Those go fast.
Yeah. Well, and just beautiful exteriors here with the brick and the siding, the stone and the siding, excuse me. Just really make it an appealing area. So across the street here, these gray homes, those are paired villas. And we're installing a model. You can see the truck there, the Windsor model today, right?
Right.
And that home features 1,600 square feet.
1660, yes.
And in that home, we've got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and flex space.
Yep.
And a
They
beautiful,
have a really good sized master bedroom there, and or primary bedroom there, as well as the secondary bedroom. It's deceiving. It's got a lot of room in it.
yeah, and I love this front porch here. It's so lovely. That's just nice and large to greet neighbors and sit outside in this gorgeous day and beautiful weather down here in Smithfield. And then inside this fenced area is an outdoor patio, right?
Right.
And that's out off of your flex room and also visible from your owner's bedroom.
Right.
So that where you see the step down between the patio there, that's where the homes adjoin, the paired homes. And similarly on this side of the street, we're looking at which style home here? The Newport.
That's a Newport.
Right. So just lots of windows and really beautiful homes here. And I love the tree-lined streets and the beautiful sidewalks. I noticed some people out walking earlier today. It's just really pretty.
It is. Just like home.
Here. So tell us a little bit about what maybe some homes that you have available.
Okay, right over here, there's our new Windsor model. We're putting furniture into the model as we speak. Next door is one that's at completion point, and it's available anytime now. So come and take a look at it. It's a great small plant.
Yeah, and I guess they're just finishing the final landscaping and all that. I see the ditch witch out there putting in the irrigation.
Yep.
So yeah, that home is available at the end of this month for sure.
Yep, exactly.
And down the street here, we've got another building just like what we just walked around, and then this.
So there'll be 2 more Windsors there, and 2 more Windsors down there.
So the Windsors are on the perimeters of the property and have really nice privacy.
Yes, they do.
And then,
and they're only 2 together.
great. And then this building here, you said is sold out, huh?
Yes, it is.
Wonderful. And so the next building will be down the street just a little bit further.
Yes, and that'll have Newports there.
Wonderful. And there are a few of those available.
Yes.
So that's just getting ready to start construction, and those will be ready in May or so this year.
Yes. What's going to be real pretty about this one is that those will face
Oh yeah,
the
because
street, and it'll feel like, like you would see in regular single.
family detached homes. Yeah, because you're coming up on a corner here.
Yes. So
Okay.
they'll have all this green space in front of it.
Wonderful. So now we're towards the back of the neighborhood, which is another lovely feature about this neighborhood, is that there is a rear entrance off of Rolfe Road, which makes it really convenient for our neighbors here and guests visiting. So as you can see over here on the far right of the screen, you can see the white picket fence or the white fencing and our colorful sign. That's the back entrance. So Janet, thanks for taking us on a tour.
My pleasure.
I'm glad we ran into each other. It's beautiful here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, come on and visit Janet.